Hello and welcome to EveryDadDIY. I'm Gavin. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some ghosts just like these ones. So stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly go through what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using a 9-volt battery, a 9-volt battery connector, a white LED, 2 green LEDs, a 120 ohm resistor, some wires, and you could also use a switch, but I don't have one there at the moment, so I'll just be taking off the connector when I want to turn it on and off. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly go through how it's going to be wired up. So it's a very simple circuit. We have our 9-volt battery, our 9-volt battery connector. We go down the positive lead onto either side of the resistor. The resistor can be reversed, it doesn't make any difference. So just onto one side of the resistor. That's going to go to the positive lead of the white LED, and then the negative side is going to go to the plus side of the next LED, and then again the negative side is going to go to the plus. And then we're going to have the negative coming out and going to our negative side of our battery. If you have a switch, this is where you'd put it, and you could use that for turning it on and off. But as I say, I don't have one of those, so I'm just going to be pulling the battery instead. Yeah, so it's nice and simple. Okay, so that brings us to the end of our video. As you can see, making the ghost is really simple and they look really cool, and you can put whatever colour eyes you want in them at all. The kids love them, they have them in their bedrooms. And yeah, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.